pa ako pinahihirapan. Ano nito si Jenna? Puro ka drama. Ngayon, tingnan natin. Wala ka nang kakampi.
Buti nga sa'yo, leche ka! Che! Gumapang ka papasok ng bahay!
Kita kurete, arigato! See you again! Come again soon!
야, 제나ちゃん.
Hiroshi-san!
久しぶり.
How are you?
Welcome back to Japan.
Oh my goodness! Hiroshi-san, how are you? I just came back from the Philippines last Tuesday. How about you? How was your business trip?
Fun but very, very tiring.
What do you need? Do you need a drink? The usual.
はい、お願いします。
Sake, onigai? Hiroshi, I can't believe you're... thank you. Are you tired from the flight, Hiroshi-san?
Little tired.
Okay. Here's your favorite drink. Yeah.
You are engaged.
Yes. Actually, my boyfriend and I, we're living together in the Philippines.
Nani? What?
Hiroshi-san, I'm going to stay in the Philippines for good after my contract in Japan ends.
Yeah. Stay here. We need you here. Stay longer.
But my family needs me too. You remember the situation of my sister, right?
But I have told you many, many times. I am more than willing to help you, your family, my family also.
I know, Hiroshi. Thank you. But it's okay. You know what? You are a really, really good man. And I wish you well always. I mean it.
O, diyan ka. Yan! O, ano? Ha? Tingnan mo nga naman. O, napakaganda ng kama mo, o. Di ba, bagay na bagay ka dito. O, ang aliwalas, malamig ang kapaligiran. Ito, tandaan mo, ha? Kapag nagsumbong ka kay Jenny tungkol sa sitwasyon mo dito, malilintik ang kasake. Siya ang una kong lalasunin. Naintindihan mo? Ha? Bagay ka dito. Ang ganda mo. Perfect. Bagay sa'yo.